Reshmi's Rasta here, the channel where we talk about, well, everything. This is going to be a short collaboration video with Hairway Heaven, and I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how I oil my hair. Reshmi's Rasta here,
Let's
the
get
channel
started.
where we talk about everything. It's going to be a short tutorial on how I oil my hair. Today my oil of choice is mustard oil. It's also written in Hindi, but I don't know how to read Hindi, so I'm sorry if I can't say the proper word. First, what we're going to do is take a little bit of oil. A little bit goes a long way. Rub it together with our hands and massage it thoroughly into the scalp. My routine is once a week, and I wash it 1 to 2 days later. Applying a certain amount of oil in your hair once a week not only helps in increasing circulation of the hair, but certain scientific studies have said that it will also increase your hair length by 2 inches per year. Now, because I have dead ends, which I will cut after 1 year, I will take another amount, like so, rub it into the ends, especially the ends. My most emphasis is on the ends and the roots. Proper stimulation of the roots can also lead to increase in your length. Some people prefer to put their heads up and do that. I don't want to do that right now. And the rest of the oil I have, cap as well, I will put in the middle. It really is not that necessary to put too much here. A little goes a long way. And now I will braid the back of my hair, as you can see. You can see. Some people can also use Dabar Amla hair oil. Some other people can use Sikkakai. But for convenience, I am using mustard oil. This is the back of my oil slick pony as requested. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.